Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. And to my returning subscriber, I appreciate you all for keep on tuning in. May God bless you all. And to my new subscriber, I appreciate you all for coming to my channel. I appreciate you all so much. So today is another tutorial, another look. That is what we are going to be doing today. So it's all about lipstick. So how to get your perfect lip. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So the things I'll be using are this two lip liner. Two lip liner. This one is a little bit red, and this is brown, which I also use on my eyebrow also. So light, this is the light one here, number 3. So this is the light one, which is for my lip today. So I will use it for lip. And lipstick here, this red and dark, this brown. So these are the lipstick. I don't know, I'm just debate. Maybe I will use this purple, I don't know, but I think I will use these two or purple. So that is what I will be thinking of using. So let's see what will happen. So let's continue. So let me use this mirror. It's better because when I bend down, it's not to see. So let me use this. I think it's possible to see now. So I'm using 3 mirrors here. One front, one here, one at my hand. So let's continue. Just draw it. Make sure you open your lips. Make sure it's open because inside sometimes the lipstick don't go in. So you have to make it possible to go in. Okay. It's not that when you smile in the public, the other side is white, while this one is with the lipstick. So you have to make it like that. Nobody is perfect. It's my own way. This is my own way, you know. Yeah, this is my own way. The another thing is some of them made their lips white because I have enough lips, so I don't need to make it white. so I don't need that white lips again. So it's not possible for me. So just work with the line, the one you have, just work with it. If your lips is little, you have little lips, you can make it a little bit like out of the line. You will do your eyeliner out of your lips, so it will be wider. So because I have mine, as I said before, I don't need it. So it's for me to work with the line. So this is the light lip liner. Just need to blend it together. Even though you made the mistake out of the line when you are blending, you can use your concealer and your brush to clean it back. That is also good. So I have to add another dark lip liner. So let's see. So I need to try this red lipstick. So let's see. If not, I will change it to purple automatic, you know. So let's start. So you know it's Christmas season, so everything need to be red or white, red and white. So your girl is gummy with red. So I'm going with this brown lip liner. So let's see, just to do the lip liner side. Back with my lip liner again. Just need to curve it a little bit. So I will use clean brush to blend it. So this is the look of this lipstick, lip glitter. You can as well add lip glitter. So let me try it in a different form, in different ways. So if you choose to add the lip glitter, you can do it. If you choose, depend how you want it. You want dry lip, like lipstick is also good. I love dry lipstick. So the lipstick is okay there. But if you want it like let's, you know, when you add glitter lipstick, it will be shiny. You know, it will pronounce so well. So if you want that, depend how you want it, that is how you can rock your lipstick. So this is it different. This is the look of without lip glitter. So if you want to add a lipstick, a lip gloss, so to make it shiner, you know, so just add a little bit. Because me, I don't like it. So when I'm using red, so I don't go with anything. So it's also beautiful. It's also good with a lip gloss. So it's also beautiful and also good to rock how you want it, you know. So this is it. So this is the final look of this lip, how to blend your lipstick. So if you know it's useful and it's also good and you love it, please share with friends and family. And that is it. That is the final look. That is the final look of this lipstick. So if you love this video and you know you watch it from beginning to the end, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you so much for keep on tuning in. I appreciate you all. May God bless you. Bye. And stay safe. Stay safe is very important. See you guys on my next video. Bye.